Hello everyone, this is Kamrun Nahar, class 10 English version. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. Today is class chapter 10 coordination. Okay, already I have given you two important creative questions. So today is chapter 10, from chapter 10 some MCQ and a non question. Okay, a non question answer we discussed today. First one, what is phytohormone? Plant hormone is called phytohormone. Okay, this is the easy definition. And another definition is the biochemical substance which is produced in the plant body and regulates growth and development of the plant is called a hormone. Okay, plant hormone. The main natural phytohormones are phytohormone and plant hormone known as phytohormone. Okay, the main natural phytohormones are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene, abscisic acid, etc. Okay, florizin and vernalin are the main hormone of this type. Okay, another type. And florizin is formed in the leaves and being translocated to the base of petiole. Florizin helps in a plant in its flowering. So, flowering hormone is known as florizin. Okay, then go to auxin. Auxin is which scientist discovered? The name of the scientist is Charles Darwin. Okay, then page 202. Open your book and underline this. And auxin applicable in after the application of auxin, root grows from grafted buds, preventing the premature seedling of fruits. So answer will be 1 and 2. And producing. Okay, it also plays a role in producing fruits without seeds. So 3 will be your answer. Okay, first one grafted bud, second one preventing the premature seedling of fruits, and third one plays a role in producing fruit without seeds. So your answer will be 1, 2 and 3. Which hormone is responsible Bacani disease of rice? Okay, answer will be gibberellin. And elongation of the internodes, which hormone? Okay, influence gibberellin. And dormancy in seeds in germination is also gibberellin. Then cytokinin. Where does cytokinin found? Where does fruits, cereals and the water of green coconut? Cytokinin found. Then which hormone is a gaseous substance? Ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous substance hormone. It helps to fruit to ripen. ওকে, ফল পাকাতে ইথিলিন সাহায্য করে। দেন গো টু হোয়াট ইজ বায়োলজিক্যাল ক্লক? বায়োলজিক্যাল ক্লক, দ্য রিদম অফ দ্য লাইট অ্যান্ড ডার্ক পিরিয়ড। ওকে, রিদম অফ লাইট অ্যান্ড dark period is known as biological clock. Oh, here is another IAA. IAA full meaning is indole acetic acid. This is a one kind of phytohormone. IAA. Then biological clock, rhythm of light and dark period in a plant. Okay, in an example of a বায়োলজিক্যাল ক্লক, লাইট অ্যান্ড ফেস মানে উদ্ভিদের জীবনে আলো ও অন্ধকারের ছন্দটাকেই বলা হয় বায়োলজিক্যাল ক্লক। অন দ্য বেসিস অফ দ্য রিদম লাইট অ্যান্ড ডার্ক ফেস প্ল্যান্টস আর ডিভাইডেড 3 টাইপস: শর্ট ডে প্ল্যান্ট, লং ডে প্ল্যান্ট অ্যান্ড ডে নিউট্রাল। ওকে, শর্ট ডে প্ল্যান্ট হেয়ার ফটো পিরিয়ড of 8 to 12 hours required. And example is grand chrysanthemum and dahlia. Long day plant average 12 to 16 hours, and example is lettuce and jhinga. Okay, lettuce and jhinga. Third one, day neutral plant. Day neutral plant is no role. Okay, photoperiod has no role on flowering. Plant will be matured and flowering and fruits develop. Okay, Photoperiod has no role on flowering. For example, cucumber and sunflower. Okay, cucumber and sunflower. Then what is vernalization? Okay, the acceleration of flowering of plants by applying cold is called vernalization. What is the suitable temperature for vernalization? It is 2 to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, 2 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature will be vernalization. Then go to plant movement. Plant movement is known as phototropic movement. Okay, phototropic movement. And where does plant movement found? We can found Volvox, Chlamydomonas, diatoms, both 1, 2 and 3. Okay, Volvox, Chlamydomonas and diatom. Then go to your coordination. Ant. Okay, পিঁপড়া. পিঁপড়া কোন হরমোনের খোঁজে ছুটে যায়, বা পিঁপড়া এক পিঁপড়ার পেছনে আরেক পিঁপড়া কোন হরমোনের জন্য যায়? Your answer will be pheromone. Okay, an ant secret which hormone? Pheromone. From where, মানে কত দূর পর্যন্ত, ডিস্টেন্স? ওকে, 2 to 4 কিলোমিটার ডিস্টেন্স. Okay, how many distance from phytohormone can smelled? Okay, 2 to 4 kilometer distance. Then nervous system. Nervous system mainly two types: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Brain and spinal cord is under the central nervous system. Okay, central nervous system, page 207. Okay, central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. Okay, where does brain protected, by which? The brain is protected by the skull. Okay, the brain is divided into 3 parts. Brain, how many parts? 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay, the largest part of the brain is cerebrum. Okay, 2 term here, cerebrum and cerebellum. Please don't mixed. Okay, forebrain, the largest part of the brain is cerebrum. It is covered by a membrane called meninges. Okay, brain covered by a membrane called meninges. The left lobe of the cerebrum is comparatively well developed. Okay, আমাদের ব্রেনের বাম পাশটা বেশি উন্নত, এই জন্য আমরা ডান দিকে সব কিছু অতি দ্রুত মুভ করতে পারি। হ্যাঁ, দ্য লেফট লোব অফ দ্য সেরিব্রাম ইজ কম্পারেটিভলি ওয়েল ডেভেলপড। ফাংশন অফ forebrain: speech, vision, hearing, memory. Okay, these are the functions of forebrain. Then go to midbrain. Midbrain is very important role in vision and hearing. Okay, vision and hearing also the important function of midbrain. Then go to hindbrain. Hindbrain is 3 categories. Okay, cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum controls muscle stress, coordination and movement balance, control and the activities of voluntary muscles. Okay, then pons. Where does pons located? The pons is located in between the medulla oblongata and midbrain. Okay, this is the. And how many cranial nerves are formed from medulla oblongata? 12 pairs. Okay, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Their function: hearing, okay, balancing, hearing, balancing, and 12 pair cranial nerves originated from the brain and spread to different region. Okay, different region such as mouth cavity, buccal cavity, tongue, eye, nose, ear. Okay, these are 2 types: sensory or motor or fixed. 3 types mainly: sensory, motor and mixed. Okay, then go to what is neuron. The neuron is the basic functional unit of the nervous system. Okay, neuron is the basic functional unit of nervous system, that is known as neuron. Two parts, cell body and elongated parts. Okay, why neuron cannot divide? Because they have no centriole. Okay, so neuron cannot divide. What is dendrite? Dendrite. Okay, the branches coming out from the dendron are called dendrites. This is another important MCQ. Where does dendrite forms? Okay, your answer will be dendron. What is neurolemma? A thin layer encloses the axon called the neurolemma. One neuron contain one axon. Okay, and the called neurolemma. A thin layer encloses the axon called the neurolemma. Neurolemma. Okay. Then go to reflex action. Reflex action controlled by spinal cord, not brain. Okay. Reflex action controlled by spinal cord but not brain. This is another important MCQ. Then go to 214 page. The velocity of the movement. Okay, transmission. Transmission. The velocity of the movement 100 meter per second. Okay, transmission velocity. Then go to hormone. Okay, first one, pituitary gland. Okay, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, which gland is known as the king of the gland? Your answer will be pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, main gland in human body, and it is smallest in size. Okay, main hormone producing gland in the hormone body, in the human body. In the human body, the pituitary gland is secreted several hormones such as gonadotropin, thyrotropin, prolactin, somatotropin. Okay, these are another important hormones. So your answer will be all. Gonadotropin, thyrotropin, prolactin, somatotropin, all are your answer. Thyroid glands. Where does thyroid gland situated? Thyroid gland situated at the upper part of the trachea. It produces hormone thyroxine. Okay, it produces the hormone thyroxine. And thyroxine helps in calcium metabolism. Okay, secreted another hormone, calcitonin. Calcitonin hormone secreted from thyroid glands, and it helps in calcium metabolism. Sorry. And parathyroid glands secreted parathyroxine hormone. Okay, thymus gland. Where does thymus gland situated? Thymus gland is located in the neck. Okay, your neck. Thymus hormone. And then go to adrenal. Adrenal gland located just above the kidney. Okay, already I have learned this. Above the kidney, and secreted adrenaline hormone, and in relax our mental pressure. Okay, relax our mental pressure. Adrenaline hormone. Then insulin and glucagon. Okay, where does islets of Langerhans situated? In pancreas. Islets of Langerhans. Okay, islets of Langerhans situated in pancreas, and they secrete insulin and glucagon. Insulin helps in the disease of diabetes. Okay, carbohydrate. Then go to gonad or reproductive organ. Reproductive organ in male in testis, for female it is in the ovary. Okay, male of a male it in the testis, of a female in the ovary. Reproductive organ situated. Okay, here for male testosterone. Okay, testosterone hormone, and in female estrogen hormone. Okay, This is another important MCQ of male testosterone and for female estrogen hormone. Okay. Then go to 218 page. What is insulin? Insulin is one kind of hormone. Okay. Insulin is one kind of hormone that is function as metabolism of carbohydrate. Insulin regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate. Okay. Diabetes are two types, type 1 and type 2. Okay. Type 1 has to take insulin in injections. Okay. Type 1 patient has to take insulin by injection, and type 2 patient to take medicine orally to help pancreatic cell to produce insulin. Okay, Baba. Then some of the symptoms of diabetes: excessive thirst, excessive hunger, gradual loss of weight in spite of excessive eating, feeling tiredness and weakness. Okay, disturbed vision, rough of skin. So your answer will be all. Then go to diabetes is a hereditary disease. Okay, diabetes is a hereditary disease. Then go to what do you mean by 3D? 3D means discipline, diet and dose. So your answer will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3D means discipline, diet, dose. Then diabetes discipline, cleanness and food care. Okay, which organ diabetes patient take care more and more? Food care. Okay, regular checking of urinary glucose. Then stroke. What is stroke? A stroke happened in brain, not in heart. Okay, a stroke is when the activity of the nervous system is hampered due to the lack of blood supply to the brain. Okay, then stroke. Then a stroke happened in brain, not in heart. Please be remember. Then go to 220 page. What is paralysis? Loss of sensation and motion in a part of the body is termed paralysis. Okay, paralysis. Loss of sensation and motion. Kothay? Where? Voluntary muscle. Okay, loss of sensation and motion in voluntary muscle in a part of this body is termed paralysis. Okay, causes: generally a stroke is the cause of paralysis. Okay, normally a stroke, then he or she paralyzed. Okay, then go to epilepsy. Epilepsy is one kind of brain disease. The another name of epilepsy is, what is the another name of epilepsy? Your answer will be fainting disease. Okay, fainting disease. Epilepsy is also known as fainting disease. Then go to Parkinson. Parkinson, generally the disease starts after the age of 50 years. Okay, generally the disease starts after the age of 50 years. And in the disease of Parkinson, dopamine producing cells are gradually destroyed. Okay, dopamine. The name of the solution is the name of the secretion. Okay, the name of the secretion from the brain cells is known as dopamine. In Parkinson disease, dopamine producing cells are gradually destroyed. Then you learn some tobacco and drug. Okay, in Bangladesh, tobacco, ganja, charos, afing, morphine, cocaine, alcohol and heroin. ঠিক আছে, addictive substance. আচ্ছা, use of tobacco, chewing jorda or smoking increases your nicotine level in your blood. Okay, nicotine level in your blood. Nicotine is a dangerous, poisonous thing. Okay, then last one is, in Bangladesh, the Directorate of Narcotic Control was established when in 1990. ওকে, 1990 সালে মাদক নিয়ন্ত্রণ অধিদপ্তর প্রতিষ্ঠিত হয়েছে। এই ছিল তোমাদের, দিস আর দ্য some MCQ and a related question. Next lecture will be held chapter 11. So Allah Hafiz.